Watch. See there in a Gaza nation. Dust come off of the street, you know. There's where I deal with. The whole of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me I say, yo, hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know it go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion. You know are the people's champion. You know a Gaza favorite. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me, man? Right now in a Gaza nation. Today, you know, very victorious day for me, you know. Today I'm my birthday, you know, and my birth date, you know. So you know, say upon a Saturday morning, I really born for real, you know. And my birthday come fall upon a Saturday. So you know, say a glorious moment for me. So remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. And first and foremost, we have to give thanks and praises to the Most High because no man is worthy enough. You hear that? Watch. So here me I say Gaza nation. Sometime in our life, Gaza nation, we ball about money and we ball about all kind of luxurious stuff where we love to achieve and where we want. But here we go on. Sometimes we don't pay attention to the things that we have because here we go on. I'm born in this world without nothing. You hear me? Right now, I have my own family. I still have my parents them. And I have crazy relatives. Plus I have crazy friends. You know what I mean? And I have Gaza nation and a whole heap of girlfriend. What? Hear me, man? Yo. You don't see what I go on. So last night I see some local man claim say they want to use them mode for bring down the six them. Hear them? The six them shouldn't use no body argument in them song. The Claw shouldn't go in it. So, how him put Squash Dead Brother in him song, I'm not hearing no talk to him about that. How Sashi Cool, them two dancer boy, they run out pan Squash, and I never hear nobody talk about that. So, I'm going them alone for do thing and Squash man not for do nothing. So everything the man do, you know, find fault and I try to drop this and that. Because I hear man talk about Canecla going a song and him see say Canecla a pass, him want pass on the relay button to Canecla. You know, go like say some racing business this. I think a boy strand this. You know, say a shot of fire in the street. You know, hear the man say, the first thing the man say, him use a shot and bust off him informal lip, you know. Then the man next shot burn off him skin off him look a maga bone them, you know. It come like he forgot, you not listen properly. So it's okay for him use all of what him want use and Squash must go fear and quiet like a Christian. Yo, them thing they not work in a war youth and stop on a lollipop thing. And I tell you from when I know a lollipop, from when I try disrespect the big artists, them and I talk about elite. But if you don't want to be fair and square, I tell you how me is a man stay with me and sound the big thing, them, you know, and a lollipop thing, you know. Yo, is Squash elite? I ask you know. Or what do you Squash boss, you know? I ask you Squash elite. Him run left big hardcore massacre. Him run left the B-52 bomber family. Him no want challenge them man, they were hardcore with him. Him see Squash as a man who sing J and through the youth name hype up out there in the street. Him think him can run on the man and kill the man. Him don't even know say Squash does do song for fit radio that him can get it and go commercial. Him no know say Squash a wicked artist. But I'm glad him run up another man because here we go on. Him go and learn him lesson. Whether good or bad. Him go learn a nice little lesson. You know what I mean? When you underrate people. Remember, you know, all from this guy coming a dance all him do are underrate people and have himself as the best. Well then I not say, you know, have yourself as the best, but you have to know self-praise and a recommendation. You hear that? So here we go on right about now. You see what I'm dealing? If squash is not an elite, you know, where me and all the Gaza nation and the dancehall fraternity know that because of what they are the youth them boss, the 6 them boss. Squash is not an elite. And if squash is not an elite and a squash you have to run to for challenge to get your name hype up out there, out in the street, that means you is not an elite. You is just a little chatty mode. And you just a man who just like a games you play all along for save yourself right now in a dance hall. But when I tell you something, you know, cheerleaders, you don't hate the game, don't hate the player, you know, hate the fucking game. Don't hate the player, you know, hate the game. Because squash them never run, you know, from him, you know. Because them never have to answer him, you know, because I'm not hot out there in the street as though the man them hot in the street, you know. And the man them still show you, say them is not no person like him, them a real warmonger. The man them take him on. You see what I deal with? Him 2 front them run out past squash, no chronicler run out, me hear man a chat all kind of negative thing. Yo, no hush up on the mouth and going on a look a corner. I want me to know. You see bad people are run straight. Going on a look a baby corner and go here. When you know about dancehall, when you know about hardcore thing. Yo, him song, you know. Where I'm singing, you know. I hit him and get off of him song, you know. That's why I'm trying to sweet up him song like that, you know. I want it bang out in a dance hall that him can get a hype off it, you know. You see when I deal with something like that, well, like a stray dog, you know. I say I want him song for me. Yo, squash song a real dance hall, hardcore, this song. A real thing me I tell you about, real hardcore, this song. Everything when him chat about the man bull it up. And that me and me couldn't know. The man bull up every single thing when him chat about. And when you look at cheerleaders, what me say I run on and I talk about, yo, the man shouldn't bring in the man mother in it. And where the man does talk about the man dead brother, the man brother dead. What you chat about? And una go like say una pum pum sheriff like a una watch alkaline mother pum pum so when every day take off her panty and una the panty shield so una see him. So una, every time she take it off una know who go there. Stop act like una a sheriff man and stop go around and sheriff other people pum pum man for different man and a clown or una know the general the 10 star one know una represent una know a full effect thing me deal with. You know me not deal with lollipop thing. And I said today my day, real 10 star way. You see what I deal with? My dust come off of the road with the clip them load. You know have to ask if look more a wicked thing. Gaza nation here we go on, you know. Today I'm a bird strong. So you know say I celebrate from last night. And you know say I celebrate from the whole weekend go back to Monday. Well, Monday I have a special treat for you in Gaza Nation. Because life I go when I dip on the parkway, you know. Because I want to get a glimpse, you know. When, you know, the man them a play any weather, you know, out there, you know, to see what kind of havoc, you know, create out of the parkway, you know. And when I tell you about the parkway, I tell you about no lollipop place, you know, because not even stadium, you know. All when stadium big twice as its size right now, you know. When stadium twice or 4 times its size, right now it still can't hold the amount of people who are going to on the parkway. What I say? Thousands of people are go out there. What I say? And here what I tell you know, girls, you know 10 star is a Virgo, right? You know me a Virgo, right? Me I'm one of the most charmfulest man in the world. What? But I hunger for the ladies them, you hear me? Watch. So here we are going. You know me a whining machine. I not go out on the parkway go watch nobody a create no havoc. I go out on the parkway to wind down every nation we pass there. So. And a lollipop thing. So whether you want to be Bajan, Lucian, Haitian, Trinidad, just name it. Guyanese, just name it. Every truck will come there. 10 star in a full effect. Because that me I go out there for. Because I see when Labor Day parade done, I want to know say instantly winter start. When I say, when the parade done in the night, and you go back home in your yard, you know winter start, a different climate you feel. So you hear what you do, you have to go out there, galang body in the street, gather up all of the number them where you can, because remember winter, and you have to look to live blanket too, you know what I mean? I mean, when I say live blanket, I mean to machine body. You know what I mean? And when I say machine body, I mean girl body, bad, thick, strong, firm body. So when time cold breeze come and them shit, they have your live blanket in your place and a lollipop thing. Or the general, the 10-star one, and I teach you how you do it inside of New York City. You hear me? You act 10-star way because there's Gaza way and it ain't no other way. You hear what I say? The general, the 10-star one. Gaza Nation, watch again. I say my dust are coming. My dust are coming. Dust come off of the road. The clip them load. Yo, at 3 times I go dominate the place today. Because 12 o'clock I go up on the next look 1, 2 and get back. And in the night, a crazy shelling. You know the place shell where hotter than where hell there. Gaza Nation. Bless upon yourself, you know, and respect to the fullest, you know, for up 10-star back. What? 10-star way, you know. Gaza way, you know. Ain't no other way, you know. Birthday boy, you know. Franchise choosing one, you know. The most electrifying man. Watch.